A properly maintained gas furnace system is safe and efficient. It uses natural gas, which is a colorless, odorless fuel that comes from the earth. More than 2 million miles of underground natural gas pipelines in the U.S. safely transmit fuel to homes and businesses across the country.
Once the gas reaches your community, the local distribution company adds an odorant to help detect leaks. This rotten egg smell may be your first sign there is an issue with a pipe or a system.
While rare, sometimes problems with gas lines or mechanical systems do occur, and they can be dangerous, possibly resulting in fire, explosion, injury, or even death. If you suspect a leak, immediately leave the area and from a safe distance, call 1-800-Alliant.
While the odor added to natural gas is one sign of a leak, there can be others. Be cautious if you notice blowing dirt, bubbling water, or discolored vegetation in an otherwise green area. Hissing or whistling sounds near a gas appliance, meter, or pipeline are also signs of trouble. If you see any of these, move a safe distance away and call Alliant Energy. If you're not familiar with the odor of rotten eggs, you can contact Alliant Energy for a free scratch and sniff card. The better you know what you're smelling for, the safer you'll be.
While noses are a great early warning device, don't rely on your sense of smell alone. Natural gas detectors are available at most home improvement stores and can provide additional peace of mind. Other overpowering smells, prolonged exposure, or certain soil or pipe conditions can mask the odor your nose should be detecting. Make sure your detector has an Underwriter Laboratories Standard 2034 UL stamp.
To operate efficiently, natural gas equipment requires air for safe combustion and venting. In the winter, snow and ice can damage natural gas meters and block exhaust vents for appliances like furnaces and water heaters. Vents on the roof or side of a building must be clear to allow proper venting and prevent carbon monoxide from building up.
After any major storm, take a few minutes to check your gas meter. Carefully remove snow or debris using your hands or a broom. Kicking or using a shovel could cause damage. Remove icicles hanging from the roof or eaves above the meter. Don't let dripping water or freezing rain build up on the meter. Vents become plugged when ice and snow melt during the day and refreeze at night. Don't pile snow on or near the meter when shoveling or using a snowblower.
One more way to keep you and your family safe is to know the signs of carbon monoxide poisoning and how to reduce your risk. Ideally, natural gas burns completely and efficiently, mixing with oxygen to produce harmless carbon dioxide and water vapor. But certain conditions can result in incomplete combustion and carbon monoxide is released. Improper ventilation, restricted oxygen flow, incorrect installation, or usage of gas appliances can result in carbon monoxide being released. Symptoms of carbon monoxide exposure include headache, nausea or vomiting, dizziness or disorientation, muscle weakness or fatigue, and difficulty waking up. These symptoms can be similar to the flu, but with no fever. If your whole family feels ill or symptoms disappear when you leave your house, you could have a carbon monoxide problem. Have a professional check your appliances right away. Having carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home can also help you detect and avoid carbon monoxide tragedies.
It can be difficult to think about, but we want you to be in the know. A few simple safety measures and the assistance of a couple of detectors can help protect your family all year long.